Hello. In this video we're going to cover the basic JavaScript for loop. Above on line 2 we have an array, apples, pears, oranges and bananas. What we're going to do is use a for loop to loop through these and print them out to the console. So we start for and then parentheses. Let I equals 0. I is our counter. We're using let. So, because the counter is going to change, if we used const, this would not work. I is less than array.length. The length of this array is 4, for it has 4 elements. So I will start at 0 and increase each time. But we can never allow I to become the same or greater than the length of I because of our 0 indexing. So apples, whilst this is the first element in the array, has index 0, pears is index 1, oranges index 2, bananas index 3. So whilst the array is 4 elements long and has a length of 4, the final element, bananas, has an index of 3. So if I were to increase to 4, it wouldn't work because there is no 4th element in the array. And we're going to be accessing each element in the array using I. To increase the length of I on each iteration of the for loop, I++. And to create scope, we use the curly braces. So what is iteration? To iterate is to move over a series of elements and perform some action on them. So the for loop is going to get to apples, do similar to apples, move over to pears, do the same thing to pears, and so on. All we're going to do for now is console log array at position I. I'm going to run the code. As you can see from my test, it has already worked once, but I'm going to run it again. Apples, pears, oranges, and bananas appear in the console. Now, we can do other things other than console log and for loop. We can add, we can subtract, we can put it in the template literal. We could indeed send each item off as part of a fetch request if we were doing so. So there's a lot to do with for loops, and they are quite common within JavaScript. So it's a good idea to get your head around them. Later, we'll be doing some more work on for loops. Thank you, and see you in the next video.